Hey guys, Az here at Shield Canine. I'm here with Blade. This is one of our new protection dogs that we got in here. Fantastic temperament, big personality on Blade. He's not just physically imposing, he's also got the character of a very strong dog, which is one of the major reasons why we decided to purchase Blade and add him to our program here. He's one of those dogs that could do anything. He could be a police dog, he could be a protection dog. He has a very stable temperament, but he also has a lot of gas in the tank, and he can do whatever it is that you want him to do. The other good thing about him is he's really social, he's really stable, he's good with other dogs, he's good with people. He's definitely a dog that will 110% protect you, your family, and your home. Okay guys, so this is Lego. He's a young dog from our breeding program, 8 months old. I really like the build on this dog. He's got those thick bones, he's got a nice masculine head. He's got also a very nice temperament. He's a very easy dog. He's not like hyper intense like some of the dogs we have here. Listen, here at Shield Canine, we have a temperament for everybody. Some people are looking for a little more, some people are looking for a little less. He has good territorial behavior, and he will 100% protect property, protect the family, so on and so forth. I'm gonna show you Robbie. Robbie is a 2.5-year-old sable German Shepherd. He is a big boy. Robbie was shown to us at the same time as Blade was, and we just had to purchase Robbie. He has really nice bloodlines. He's a very fit, healthy dog, and most importantly, he has the character that we're looking for. Super courageous, very stable. He has the drive to be a dual-purpose patrol dog or to be your next family protection dog or executive protection dog. Robbie's exactly what we look for in a German Shepherd. He has a very nice temperament and stability of character. Okay guys, so this is Nico. He's one of the puppies in our program that we're raising. We always keep from every breeding puppies back that we've designated as suitable family protection dogs and potential also police dogs. Nico's everything again that we want to see in a puppy. Good drives, confident, social, outgoing. He's a very nice dog. So if you're looking for your next family protection dog, or even potentially down the road, he could maybe even suitable for police work. We're not quite sure about that yet, but we'll have to see when he's a little bit older. Nico's everything that we want to see. He's beautiful, he's social, he's happy, and he loves to work. So this next puppy's named Hendricks. He is a herder puppy from our breeding program, so basically German Shepherd Malinois mix. We do these breedings because these combinations tend to produce really strong working dogs, good dogs that have the drive and intensity of a Malinois with a little bit more of the balance of the German Shepherd. And Hendricks has quite an active and fiery character. We really like him, and also he's really pretty.
Hendricks, come!